The boat has gotten dirty. And the story with the boat, oh yeah, well, I moved. When I bought the boat, I brought it home and it didn't fit in the driveway. The driveway is too narrow. So kept it at my parents' place for a bit. They sold their house. I had to move the boat to my niece's house. She was kind enough to let me keep it there, but they bought a trailer and needed the space as well, and they redid their road. There was a road in front of their house redone. They put new sidewalks that weren't there before. They had a lot less space. And I moved. So here she be at the new place. Happy she's home. I'm able to give her the love and attention she needs. Okie dokie. I've cleaned the front deck, but it is dirty. Must be cleaned. Well, there she be. But heavily stained. Pretty dirty everywhere. Clean. So I cleaned this side pretty good. And the bottom looks a little more yellow, but I'm trying to do the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner 10 times stuff apparently works according to videos I've seen on YouTube. So give it a try. The horns themselves, I guess I didn't clean them, but at least the fiberglass I cleaned, and the rest not looking so bad. So getting there. Now I put the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner stuff on the bottom. Gonna let it sit for a bit. Okie dokie. Let's see how things turn out. Okay, well, so far I've put it on 2 times. Seems to be, it's not perfect, but I mean, this stuff might have been on for the last 20 years, who knows. So it's kind of working. So we'll have to see. All right, so here's the story. Yesterday, I took the spark plugs out. I mean, the boat, it's not turning over, so I don't know. Anyway, I tried 2 different battery packs to be sure that it wasn't the battery pack. So I took off the serpentine belt, I guess that's on there, because I wanted to try to turn the engine by hand. I don't have probably a pry bar big enough. I tried with a ratchet thing. Didn't work. So it's not turning over. It seems kind of jammed up, so I don't know if it's just rust, especially since there was water in one of the cylinders. But transmission fluid into the cylinders to hopefully loosen up any rust that might be holding things in place. So now trying to give it a day or so to wait and see. So we'll try in a day or so, because right now it's starting to rain. Home sweet home.